PUP study, certified driver update utility for Windows. Outbyte? Start now. What? Question 1. What's a certified driver update utility for Windows? There are a number of certified driver update utilities available for Windows. Some of the most popular options, unverified, include *driver booster. *driver booster is a free driver updater that scans your computer for outdated drivers and automatically downloads and installs the latest versions. *drive rec. *drive rec is a paid driver updater that offers a more comprehensive set of features than driver booster, including the ability to backup and restore your drivers, and the ability to identify and fix driver conflicts. *driver pack solution. *driver pack solution is a free driver updater that offers a large database of drivers and a user-friendly interface. *device doctor. *device doctor is a free driver updater that scans your computer for outdated drivers and displays a list of the drivers that need to be updated. *driver magician. *driver magician is a paid driver updater that offers a more comprehensive set of features than device doctor, including the ability to backup and restore your drivers, and the ability to identify and fix driver conflicts. It is important to note that not all driver update utilities are created equal. Some utilities may not be able to find the latest drivers for your devices, while others may install the wrong drivers, which can lead to system instability. It is important to do your research before choosing a driver update utility, and to make sure that the utility is compatible with your version of Windows. It is also important to note that you should not update your drivers unless you are experiencing problems with your devices. Updating your drivers can sometimes introduce new problems, so it is important to weigh the risks and benefits before updating your drivers. If you are experiencing problems with your devices, you can try updating your drivers using one of the driver update utilities listed above. If you are still experiencing problems after updating your drivers, you may need to contact the manufacturer of your device for support. Question 2. What's a certified driver provider by Microsoft? Answer. A certified driver by Microsoft is a driver that has been tested and certified by Microsoft to be compatible with Windows. Certified drivers are typically provided by the device manufacturer, and they are designed to provide the best possible performance and stability for the device. There are a number of benefits to using certified drivers. First, they are less likely to cause problems with Windows. Second, they are often updated more frequently than non-certified drivers. Third, they are often more compatible with other hardware. If you are experiencing problems with a device, you may want to try installing a certified driver. You can find certified drivers for most devices on the device manufacturer's website. Here are some of the benefits of using certified drivers. Improved compatibility. Certified drivers are designed to be compatible with Windows, so you can be sure that they will work properly. Better performance. Certified drivers are often optimized for Windows, so you can expect better performance from your devices. More stability. Certified drivers are tested and certified by Microsoft, so you can be sure that they are stable and will not cause problems with your system. If you are experiencing problems with the device, you may want to try installing a certified driver. You can find certified drivers for most devices on the device manufacturer's website. See more info at signing a driver for public release at Microsoft Learn Center. Question 3. What's driver? Verifier in Windows. Driver Verifier is a tool included in Microsoft Windows that replaces the default operating system subroutines with ones that are specifically developed to catch device driver bugs. Once enabled, it monitors and stresses drivers to detect illegal function calls or actions that may be causing system corruption. Driver Verifier can be used to troubleshoot a variety of driver issues, including blue screens of death, BSODs, system crashes, performance problems, device driver conflicts, driver instability. To use Driver Verifier, you must first enable it in the Windows registry. Once enabled, you can then configure Driver Verifier to test specific device drivers or all device drivers on your system. If you are experiencing problems with the device driver, you can use Driver Verifier to try to identify the problem. To do this, you will need to enable Driver Verifier and then test the device driver that is causing problems. If Driver Verifier detects a problem with the device driver, it will generate a bug check and stop the computer. This will allow you to collect information about the problem, which you can then use to troubleshoot the issue. Driver Verifier can be a powerful tool for troubleshooting driver problems. However, it is important to note that driver verifier can also cause problems with your system. If you are not sure how to use driver verifier, you should consult with a qualified technician. Sources 1. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/driver_verifier. 2. https://learn.microsoft.com/n-us/windows-hardware/driver/dev test/driver-verifier. Question 4. What's disable driver signature enforcement in Windows Safe Mode? Driver signature enforcement is a security feature in Windows that prevents the installation of unsigned drivers. Unsigned drivers are drivers that have not been digitally signed by the manufacturer. This can be a security risk, as unsigned drivers could potentially contain malicious code. However, there are some cases where you may need to disable driver signature enforcement. For example, if you are installing a driver that is not digitally signed by the manufacturer, or if you are troubleshooting a driver problem. To disable driver signature enforcement, you can follow these steps. 1. Restart your computer in safe mode. 2. Press F7 or 7 on the keyboard to select the Disable Driver Signature Enforcement option. 3. Restart your computer. 4. You can now install the unsigned driver. It is important to note that disabling driver signature enforcement can make your computer more vulnerable to malware. You should only disable driver signature enforcement when necessary. Here are some of the risks of disabling driver signature enforcement. Asterisk, your computer may be more vulnerable to malware. Asterisk, you may experience stability problems with your computer. Asterisk, you may be unable to receive security updates for your drivers. If you are not sure whether or not you should disable driver signature enforcement, you should consult with a qualified technician. Question 5. How to recognize misleading or even malicious ads? Answer. Here are some tips on how to recognize misleading or even malicious ads. Asterisk, be suspicious of ads that make unrealistic claims. If an ad promises something too good to be true, it probably is. For example, an ad that promises to double your money or lose weight overnight is likely a scam. Asterisk, be wary of ads that use scare tactics. If an ad tries to scare you into clicking on it, it's probably trying to sell you something you don't need. For example, an ad that says your computer is infected with a virus is likely a scam. Asterisk, don't click on ads that are poorly designed. Malicious ads are often poorly designed and may contain spelling errors or grammatical mistakes. If an ad looks unprofessional, it's probably a scam. Asterisk, be careful of ads that ask for personal information. Malicious ads may ask for your personal information, such as your name, address, or credit card number. Never give out this information to an ad unless you are sure that it is legitimate. Asterisk, use an ad blocker. An ad blocker can help to protect you from malicious ads. Ad blockers can block ads before they even load, which can help to prevent you from clicking on them. Asterisk, keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that can help to protect your computer from malicious ads. Make sure that you keep your software up to date to ensure that you are protected. Asterisk, be careful what you click on. The best way to avoid malicious ads is to be careful about what you click on. If you're not sure about an ad, don't click on it. Now, it's your turn. 1. Check out what Outbyte driver updater is yourself, in VM. 2. What's a PUP? Or this type of, optional yet recommended / chosen, PUPs, offers.